All right, guys. Welcome back to another training session on Zingo Academy. I'm going to today continue from where I stopped the last time. We did the analysis on gold, all right, and I told us that as at that time gold was still ranging. Okay, we are going to wait for a breakout, either to the upside or to the downside. Okay, but we saw it consolidating towards the upper boundary of this range bound, all right, of this range bound triangle, of this rectangle here. Okay, so I expected there was going to be a breakout to the upside because price congested towards the upside here. All right, so I told us that I was going to come back to see what price action will do some days after. Okay, now we've seen that there's a breakout here, but you see, we must be very careful here so that we don't get deceived by this breakout, because this might be a false breakout. Okay, so we need to be very, very careful. Okay, so price ought to have come down here, all right, retested this level and do what, and go back to the upside before we can trust this, before we can trust this movement in the market. All right, so this was what I was expecting to happen in this market, so we're going to look at it from that perspective, guys. Okay, we're going to look at it from that perspective. All right, so this is what we have. All right, this is what we have. Okay, now to continue with this this market, or following up this market, we have to wait for this price to retest, to retest this support level. Okay, this is resistance that has turned support. Price broke this resistance, okay, and this resistance became support for price action. Okay, so for us not to be deceived by a false breakout or a fake out, okay, we have to wait for price to retest this level, this support level, and if it does retest it and it is still a strong support for price action, then price will bounce off it to the upside, and we can decide, and we can expect to take our profits along this area. Let me show us. Okay, this is where price market structure has shown strong resistance here. Okay, or even here, okay, where price came and congested here. But this is where I will target this market, this level. Okay, I will target to take profits here. Maybe I will target another intermediate profit level here. Okay, somewhere here I could target here. Okay, so this will be my T1, and this will be my TP1, and this will be my TP2. But we need to be careful about it. So we're going to see what price is likely going to do. Again, we can use other technical indicators. Okay, let us see our MACD and see what MACD is going to tell us that is happening in this market. Okay, this two line cross MACD. Let's see. All right, so clearly you can see that MACD is telling us that there's a clear bullish signal in this market. Okay, clear bullish signal in this market. All right, so we still expect price to push to the upside. All right, okay, so let's see what stochastic is telling us as well. We need factors of confluence to confirm this what is happening in this market. Okay, let's see the stochastic oscillator. All right, you can see that the stochastic oscillator is telling us that this market has been what? Overbought. It is at the overbought region. Even though price could still push to the upside up to this level here, let me show you something. Even though price can push up to this level, which it did in time past, okay, it will not be too healthy to buy at this point. You could buy short here, but be careful. Be sure that you are monitoring the market, because it will the buying momentum will begin to decline as the stochastic graph touches this level. Okay, all right. So guys, we're going to continue to monitor this market. I will not take a long position in this market. I need to be very sure what price is going to do, all right, before I will go ahead to do anything in this market. Okay, all right guys, that is all about gold. All right, we're going to, the conclusion is that we're going to continue to monitor the market to see how it will play out. Okay, all right, thank you very much and have a blessed day. If you like this video, go and subscribe to my channel, to my YouTube channel. Okay, hit the notification bell. Okay, turn it on so that anytime I produce videos like this, you'll be notified. Okay, and of course, go and like the video if you like the content. All right, thank you very much. See you some other time. Bye bye.